Hey everybody, it's Dana Fisher, Mitsubishi Electric coming at you, looking to update everyone on the refrigerant transition. This is the year that we're transitioning to A2L refrigerants for residential products, those products that have a total system capacity less than 65,000 BTUs. That's the differentiating line between residential and VRF, 65,000 BTUs. Anything above 65,000 BTUs is considered a VRF system for purposes of the refrigerant transition with the EPA. Anything below that is residential. And of course, we've been working up to this for a long time now, and we're into 2025. And there's still a lot of questions and confusion out in the field around exactly what this transition means. But while there's a great many details in the final rules from EPA and DOE, it really comes down to a couple of simple things for purposes of distributors and contractors. 410A products that were imported before the end of last year, which are pretty much the products that we have in stock or that are going through the supply chain, can be installed for any purpose, new installations, retrofits, service, throughout this calendar year, throughout 2025. Any of the 410A products, components, indoor and outdoor units, that are available now in the supply chain now, can be used for service after this calendar year. There's no restriction on continued use of those things for repairing existing systems to allow them to be used throughout their natural life. And of course, 410A, there's no limit currently on how long R410A might be available as a bulk for servicing R410A systems. So for any work that you do on 410A systems during this year, or for systems that were installed last year, consumers can have confidence that they'll be able to have their systems serviced and repaired over the life cycle of that. Of course, parts will be available for a very long time on all of those components from Mitsubishi for sure. So that's really the first part of it. Now, we will be transitioning, as everyone knows, to 454B for residential products, and those product details are already starting to roll into AHRI's directory, and boy, the stats look great. It looks like a fantastic product line. I'm very excited for the rollout of all these new products. So many things that we've been waiting for years to show up in terms of functionality and capability and increased high performance. It's all showing up this year. It's going to be a great, great year for all of that. And of course, a lot of our products, as was before the case before, will qualify for utility rebates, state rebates, tax credits, the whole gambit. So stick with Mitsubishi. We've got a lot of great surprises coming this year. Be confident in installing remaining 410A systems. They're just as fantastic as they always have been, and are going to take good care of consumers and ensure their personal comfort for them and their families.